Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a really super duper exciting video because after watching this video, you're able to get your specific person to be addicted to you in 2 minutes or less. Yes, this is going to be a very powerful video because I'll be walking you through a really powerful visualization exercise coupled with some very powerful affirmations that are going to make you so happy, so excited about life in general, but especially about your specific person, because what we feel on the inside will be reflected on the outside. And so when you are really happy and full of joy and everything like that, you're going to be more aligned with your desires. You're also going to be able to tap into magnetic energy, which is basically living your authentic self without diluting all the wonderful qualities about you. And so we're going to be using the WOW technique, and I've talked about this on my channel before, but I just wanted to redo this video because I just love this technique so much, because you just get so excited and happy almost instantaneously after doing this exercise and thinking about your SP and thinking about, yes, this is possible. Wow, they're so amazing. Wow, they're gonna love me so much. And basically with the WOW technique, you're going to basically put yourself in the end result, which basically what Neville Goddard is saying is that you already have your desires. They're already there, they're already done. You just have to line yourself up to your manifestations. How you're able to accomplish that is through how you feel on the inside. So the WOW technique is going to make you feel super duper amazing. You're going to feel like, yes, this is going to be awesome. You're going to be feeling happiness and joy, ecstatic. You're going to make, oh my god, it's amazing that it's done already. You're gonna feel all these wonderful, good, happy feeling emotions in this visualization exercise, as well as before we're gonna be starting this visualization exercise, you're gonna be able to picture how you want your SP to interact with you and everything that, but I'm gonna be walking you through that in today's video. Before we jump right into this video though, I do have 2 free gifts for y'all. I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide that is going to be highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation. And I absolutely love this guide so much. So if you need clarity around manifestation or you want some more easy to do exercises, this guide is going to really help you out. As well as an exclusive meditation audio that will help you manifest your SP, and you cannot find it on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in any of those 2 freebies, just click the link down below. Also follow me on my social medias, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so before we jump right into this visualization exercise, there's a couple things I require from you. Number 1 is that you need to be smiling. You need to feel really happiness, very joy. When you smile, you're going to be able to feel that on the inside and outside. When you hear these following affirmation statements, I really want you to picture your specific person being absolutely in love with you and addicted to you. Picture them smiling at you, loving you, caring for you, hugging you, touching you, whatever that might be. Really picture them being madly in love with you and that they cannot get enough of you and they want nothing more than to be with you. Those are 2 very important things I want from you when you're listening to these exercises. Okay, at this time, we're gonna start the exercise. It should take about 2 minutes or less. And so right now I'm going to be walking you through it the first time, but I also suggest you come back to this video and do it a couple more times throughout the day. So about 3 times a day for about 2 minutes. So you can do it morning, noon, and night, or whatever works best for your schedule. But you're going to see results very fast if you do it 3 times a day. Okay, at this time, I want you to close your eyes. I want you to take some big deep breaths because I want you to get nice and relaxed. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel that tension melting off your shoulders, melting off your neck, just melting away off your body. Now again, I want you to listen to the following WOW affirmations. As you hear these statements, really feel super excited when you hear these statements. And understand that the more excited you are, the more happier you are. And the more you believe these statements, the faster you get that someone to be absolutely addicted to you. Wow, they cannot get enough of me. Wow, I am all they ever think about. Wow, they know I'm the only one for them. Wow, they love me so, so, so much. Wow, isn't it wonderful that they want nothing more on this planet than to be with me? Wow, they love all the wonderful qualities about me and they cannot get enough of me. Alright, we're gonna go through that again together. Just listen to these affirmations and smile and be happy right along as I say them. Wow, they cannot get enough of me. Wow, I am all they ever think about. Wow, they know I'm the only one for them. Wow, isn't it wonderful that they want nothing more on this planet than to be with me? Wow, they love me so, so, so much. Wow, they love all the wonderful qualities about me and they cannot get enough of me. Alright, and with a smile on your face, feel so good, so happy, so excited, and you can take a big deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Then you can gently open your eyes. How do you feel right now? Like, do you feel that anything's possible? You feel like you can take on the world? You feel like your SP is going to be shown up for you more? They're going to actually be being manifested right now, this second, and they're going to be absolutely addicted to you. And also too, you will feel great. Like, you feel like your spirits is raised. You just feel happy, very joyous. You just feel like, God damn, I just feel in myself right now. I just feel amazing right now. If you do not feel those really happy emotions right now, that's okay. Come back to it the next day or come back and re-listen to this exercise, because I'm telling you right now that these results truly, truly, truly work. You're gonna just feel amazing all around, across the board. Although this video was catered to manifesting your SP and getting them addicted to you, you're gonna feel just amazing across the board, and other manifestations that you want to be manifested in your life are gonna happen for you, because you just will be really, really aligned with all your desires, because feeling is the secret. That's what Neville Goddard is saying. Feeling is the secret, and that what you feel on the inside will be reflected on the outside, because the universe is a mirror. So if you're feeling really great on the inside, you're going to be getting a lot of feeling good, amazing things are going to happen to you on the outside. And so you're going to be able to get your SP to be addicted to you, but a lot of other things that you might be thinking about that you want that are going to really improve your overall quality of life. You're just going to feel like stuff's going to happen for you. Everything's going to be super, super, super amazing, and you're just going to feel very, very wonderful. And like I said, the results are really going to amaze you. Do this exercise 3 times a day for 2 minutes or less, morning, noon, and night, or whatever works best for your schedule. I highly suggest you come back to this video, because you're going to feel very, very great, as well as when you get that result that you really deserve, you're going to be coming back to it and be like, God damn, this works. And you're going to be coming back to this more and more and more, and really getting into that mode of happiness and joy, and really getting into really feeling your authentic self. And when you really feel those emotions, that is magnetic energy I'm telling you about. And when you tap into that, you have this magnetic aura, this charm about you that you're actually going to pull your SP to you. They're going to love everything about you, as well as you're just going to be able to pull other opportunities or other people into your life. That's just, things are going to happen. You're just going to be doing your day, and then all of a sudden stuff's going to happen. You're like, how the hell did that happen? Like, I'm just, out getting a coffee, and all of a sudden, like, maybe my SP approached me, or a job opportunity, or anything like that. Other stuff's gonna happen for you, but especially with your SP. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Remember, I do have those 2 free gifts for y'all, as well as follow me on my social medias. I also want to hear from you. What is your SP saying to you? I really want to hear all that. Also, if you have any questions me about manifestation or law of attraction, I also want to hear from you. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible, or maybe create a specific video about that topic. We'll never know. We'll see. But yeah, I love talking to everyone on here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!